I understand you've reached an agreement to waive bail?
We have, Your Honor. No bail is requested at this time.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. However, I would like to introduce a motion to have Mr. Specter removed as attorney for Mr. Ross.
What? On what grounds?
On the grounds that they conspired to defraud the Bar Association, every client they ever had, and the people of the United States.
What's your proof?
This letter showing Mr. Ross is going to resign. They conspired to fabricate it.
We had a deal.
I don't care what we had. The two of them concocted a story under the guise of attorney-client privilege, which they were only able to do because Mr. Specter is both his boss and his attorney.
I gave you that letter in good faith.
You gave me that letter in a blatant attempt to get me to drop charges against your co-conspirator.
That is slander and inadmissible.
That's enough. My chamber's 10 minutes.
You gave her that letter?
I did it to get you out.
Yeah, I don't care about getting bail if it lands us both in prison.
It's not gonna land us in prison, and it would have come out anyway. We can't just destroy every piece of evidence.
Oh, we can't do anything with any piece of evidence because she's about to get you kicked off my case.
She has no grounds to kick me off. We didn't conspire to write that letter.
We conspired to do something else in case you forgot.
Then we better come up with something, and we better come up with it fast.
I'm not in the habit of removing counsel, Miss Gibbs.
And I'm not in the habit of having an accomplice be the attorney on a case.
I'm entitled to representation.
And you had it last night. Your attorney of record is listed as Robert Zane.
The only reason you want me off this case is so you can pressure Robert into making my client take your bullshit offer.
The reason I want you off this case is because you're an unindicted co-conspirator.
If he's an unindicted co-conspirator, then so are you.
Excuse me?
You violated my client's rights the night he was arrested, and we have it on tape.
That is a complete fabrication based on the word of a con man.
An alleged con man with a photographic memory, Your Honor.
And what does that have to do with anything?
Because if I'm lying about a digital tape, then how do I know the serial number of the camera you used in your interrogation? RKZ 986532. Little piece of blue tape keeping the battery attached.
You want to remove your motion, or do I have to subpoena that camera?
I'll withdraw my motion, Your Honor.
You're free to go, Mr. Ross, and Mr. Specter is your attorney.
All this proves is that you two were in on this together.
What this proves is you'll do anything to win, and now the judge knows it, and so do I.